Hello guys! Welcome back to our channel. So for today's video, tuturuan ko kayo kung paano nga ba gumawa ng GCASH account. But before we start, please subscribe and click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa ating mga video. Ang una nating gagawin ay pupunta tayo sa ating Play Store. Ayan, kung Apple naman, pwede siya sa App Store. So, i-search natin ang GCASH. Then, ayan. So, click lang natin yung install. So, dahil naka-download na ako, i-click lang natin yung open. Ito. Ayan. So, after that, ito po yung lalabas. So, welcome to GCASH. And then, click lang po natin itong register. Ayan. And then, enter your mobile number. So, available for all networks. So, click lang po natin yung next. So, after mo malagay ang iyong contact number, so may marireceive tayong text from GCASH. So, that is the authentication code. And then, ilalagay lang natin siya dito. Ayan. And then, after nun, i-click natin yung submit code. So, after that, fill upan lang po natin ito. So, yung first name, last name, birthday, address, and your email address. A code will be sent to verify your email. So, sa email po natin, may ma-receive po tayong code doon. I-confirm lang po natin para ma-verify po yung email natin. And then, click natin yung next. So, kapag okay na, so, i-review lang natin yung mga information na in-input natin kanina. So, we have here, referral code. Ayan. So, this is optional lang naman po. Pero kung gusto nyo pong makareceive ng free 70 pesos, so, ilalagay ko po yung aking referral code sa description box. So, pwede nyo pong gamitin yon. Pwede nyo din pong gamitin yung code ng friends nyo or yung family nyo. And then, set your mobile PIN. So, maglalagay po tayo dyan ng 4-digit MPIN. So, please don't forget your MPIN kasi ito po yung nilalagay natin every time na magla-login po tayo sa ating GCash. And then, confirm lang po natin itong 4-digit MPIN and then, click po natin itong submit. So, after po natin nagawa yung mga yon, so we've successfully created your GCASH account and then click lang po natin itong proceed to login. Para ma-access po natin ang mga ibang features ng GCash, so kailangan po nating maging fully verified para makapag-cash in po tayo, pay bills, buy load, cash out, or send money, etc. Ma-access po natin lahat yan. So, para fully verified po tayo, ito po yung kailangan nating gawin. First, i-click lang po natin itong 3 lines dito sa taas. Ayan. And then, click Verify Now. Next is, click lang po natin itong Get Fully Verified. Para ma-fully verified po tayo, kailangan po natin ng valid ID. So, these are the recommended IDs. The UMID ID, driver's license, PhilHealth card, SSS ID, passport, TIN ID, and voter's ID. So, after that, we need to scan our face. So, you need to face within the frame. You will be automatically scanned and then the process is only 3 seconds. So, after that, we need to click next. And then, we need to fill up our information. So, kailangan po natin i-fill upan ito. So, lagay lang po natin yung ID type natin, kung driver's license, kung SSS, or passport. And then, lagay po natin yung ID number. yung first name, middle name, and then yung last name. So, lagay po natin yung ating nationality and place of birth. Lagay din po natin ang ating province, city, barangay or municipality, ang zip code po natin, and yung work details po natin, and also the source of funds. And then, kapag nagawa po natin yon, select po natin itong next. So, after po natin ma-fill up ang lahat, so, application submitted. We receive your application. Please allow up to 30 minutes for us to review your application. So, take note lang po guys. So, yung free 70 pesos na sa referral code kanina, marireceive lang po natin siya kapag tayo ay na fully verified. So, that's it. Thank you for watching guys, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Click the notification bell para lagi kang updated sa ating mga video. Thank you!